Okay, dear friends, I'm back with another machine on the Hackthebox, which is Forest. This machine is Windows, and I've already spawned the machine earlier. This is the IP address of the machine or target. As always, I'd like to use the POM-box, which is online payload OS provided by the Hackthebox to do this penetration. Yeah, from my point of view, this machine is very, very wonderful, because it will provide us the Active Directory environment. Yeah, we can sharpen our skills for the Windows target, especially the Active Directory, including the domain controller. So enough said, let's just get started. Of course, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. This will help me very, very much. You can understand. So we can switch over to the view of the GUI of the payload OS. As you can see, I've already done the map scanning with the options like sync scan, virtual scan, the default script scan, and also the comprehensive scan, and also put the uppercase P in, which means that we do not need to do the live testing for the target. So from the map scanning results, as you can see over here, there's so many different open ports. But from the surface, the running on the target, we can make a reasonable deduction. Yeah, the target is some sort of the domain controller. For example, it's running domains, the couplers, and also the NetBinds, LDAP. So I think also, of course, this one is nothing related to the domain control. It's just some sort of the remote management surface. And here, and as you can see, we got the domain name. I think we need to append this domain name to our host file. Let's scroll down, and also we have been told by the script the host name is the forest. So I think now we can append the domain name and also the host name to the host file. Echo and htb.local and sudo local sudo t. All right, let's press enter, and we can append another one, forest. I think this should be the host name, forest dot. All right, so now I think we need to do some enumeration for the sample surface. The tool is I'd like to use svc-alfresco. Let's press enter. Yeah, anonymous login successful, but there isn't any share available on the target, which is fine. Now I think because the target is running RPC surface, so maybe we can use the rpcclient to connect to the target. And of course, at this moment, we don't have any credentials. However, because some misconfigurations, the RPC surface can allow us the anonymous login, and this is the command. I also will put the link into the description section below so that you can use this information if you wish. Okay, so now we can now username or empty, and use the n. Will not make authentication, and the IP address of the target. Let's press enter. Yeah, we have already logged in, and also based on this we can do more enumeration. And here this website can give us which kind of enumeration we can do. I think what we are looking for is the username, so we can run this command, the enum domain users. And also we can use the tab command to help us to autocomplete the command. enum. All right, and now, yeah, we have already got the available user names on the target. So wonderful, right? Like this one, this one. So we can extract the user names and generate the user dictionary. Of course, I've already done that earlier. Sorry, I can exit from the RPC session, and now we can cat the users. Yeah, this is the username. So now we need to get the hash value for this username. And the two I'd like to use is one impact2. But I cannot remember the exact name for these two. Name, but I know it should be get and right? I'm not sure. Let's press enter. Yeah, we can use this impacted script to get users. We just press enter. Yeah, let it give us the help. You know, we cannot remember so much knowledge and the technique. We need to utilize the help. Yeah, I think we need to put the output file and format. Of course, I prefer John the Ripper than the hashcat because this one is much easier to use. And the user file, I think this should be the user list. And the hash, no need. And the target, the domain controller IP address. So I think we can make a copy. And we can name it to hashes. And next option we need to configure, yeah, format. All right. The John, yeah, I like John the Ripper. And then the next thing we need to specify is users file. Yeah, I like a copy and paste away, so this will not make a mistake, right? And the user list we have already retrieved from the RPC client. And the users, all right. And what else we need to configure? Yeah, the domain controller IP address, DC. And the target domain is htb.local. Yeah, this one. Let's press enter. The domain should name, I think I need to use the slash, not the backslash. Sorry about that. Yeah, we got the, but some users don't have this set, means that we can cut the hashes. Yeah, it's just only one, sorry about that, hash for this user. So we can, now we can use the John the Ripper to crack word list, user, share, word lists, locu, and hashes. Let's press enter. So we just wait for this to be finished, and then we can get the, so I think this should be the user, the password, not the username. We can make a copy and note it down to our notebook. So I think we can open another notebook and the username. So what's the username? And we can, yeah, this should be the username, right? We can make a copy. Now I think we can use the eval to log in because we have already got the username and the password. We can make a copy. Eval. In sorry, win, and the IP address. I think you are familiar with the eval winrm utility, right? The username and should be Yeah, we just paste it in here. Yeah, a bit complicated username, and the password we also copy and paste in here. Great, we have already logged in or get the initial for the host of the target. Now the first thing we can get or retrieve the root flag. You're always in the desktop directory. And now we can tap the user. So what can we do now? Because this target is the domain controller or DC. So I think now we need to we need to utilize the Bloodhound to visualize or enumerate information about this AD environment, right? And but the first thing we need to upload the collector or ingester. The ingester should be reside in the target. But first we can go to the root directory. Yeah, we need to create the temp directory. Of course, I've already created earlier. So if you cannot see the temp directory, you need to create one, because in this one we will upload the executable or the PowerShell script into this temp directory. dir. Of course, I've already got down this Bloodhound from the GitHub, and now we can open up another tab. And we can go to the Bloodhound, and we go to the collector or ingester. I think the author has already changed its name. Earlier it's called ingester, I think so. And now we can upload both the SharpHound and also the powerview, because maybe we just do these things one by one. We can make a copy. This is the file name, and now we can go back to the Evo session. And of course, the Windows is not like Linux. We cannot use like wget or q, but we can use is circutil exe. And I've already opened up this. Maybe you can use the Google search engine to, if you do not grasp this command or utility. URL cache, and the target or our own machine, and put the file name in here, and we want to use the same file name. Let's press enter. Connection. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I need to set up the web server first. And then now we can run this command again. Should be no problem. All right. Now I think we need to run this command to connect data about the domain. And of course here we need to use different the options. This one we need to specify the domain name. We need to also the collection methods. I need to collect all data. Okay, I think now we can run SharpHound E, and the domain is htb.local, and the C is all, right? And LDAP username should be, this username is so complicated. So we just make a copy, and also we need to specify the password. this should be the password. Let's paste. Let's run it. Yeah, the sharp hunt will collect the data of this domain, htb.local. And then we need to transfer this data file onto our own machine. So at the same time, I'd like to create the SMB server. So the SMB server, and we just press enter, because this will give us the help or instruction how to set up the server. Maybe I can use the JSON and the password. Also, we can use the JSON, and the share name we can use the share, and the share pass is current pass. Permission denied, so we need to use the sudo. Let's press enter. Yeah, now I think it's working. The server is setting up. Now I think we have dir. Yeah, now we need to transfer this zip file to our own machine. But first we need to net use or mount this share. JSON. Oh, sorry, not user, should be use. Yeah, my mistake, my bad. Now just press enter. Good, completed successfully. Now we can copy the command. Sorry, we can copy this one and our own machine, and is the share. Press enter. No error is the best thing, right? Now we can, we have already transferred this zip file. Now I think we need to use the Bloodhound to visualize the data from this file. And first we can start the near 4J server. Start is already running, which is fine. Bloodhound, and the username is default one, near 4J, and the password is the same. We can log in. Oh, sorry, this is the historic data. Sorry about that, but if you did the machine the first time, you can click this, this one, upload data, and then you can select this file and click open, and this data will be uploaded without any problem. Now, I think we need to utilize this Bloodhound to analyze the environment, the AD environment. The user I'd like to focus on should be this one. This is our current user. Sorry, not this one. Search. All right, and then we can click this one, and as we scroll down, the group information, enrolled group membership. If you click the 9 and give us the group information, right? This is our current user, and belongs to this domain user, and the privilege IT account. So this user belongs to the privilege IT account, and also it belongs to service account and account operator. So it means that our current user, this username, of course, this is a very complicated username. have a right or have a permission to create account. Later we can create the new account. And this remote management users group. Yeah, the Bloodhound can visualize the membership of our current user. And also we can use the query. We can find the shortest, not this one, yeah, shortest path to high value targets, and we can select the htb.local. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, because this exchange Windows permission group has a right DCSync. It means that domain ACL, and it means that can add or create the ACL policy for this domain. And also, if you click this link and click help, and also here can give us the information how to utilize this one. For example, like we can create. Of course, this we need to use the powerview, PowerScript. Later I will upload this one and create, and then next run this one. So because of course this very complicated. I've already prepared this one to save the time. As you can see, the right ACL privilege gives user the ability to add ACLs to an object. This means that we can add a user to this group and give them the domain control, the sync privilege. First step, we need to create a user on the domain, and the command I'd like to copy, and of course I can create a new user. Yeah, this one. I can use different username and password. For example, we can call it like so Frank, right? And Frank. Press enter. Oh, the password does not meet the password policy. All right, now we can. So maybe we can use the ABC 1, 2, 3, and this one should meet the policy of password. All right, and now we need to add the user to the group because we have a permission, right? Because we have, we are the member. We are the member of this group. So we just make a copy to add the new user to this group. And of course I need to change the username to Frank. Let's press enter. Similarly, we can add this user to the group remote management users, but I think this is the optional, not required. Frank. All right. Yeah, because from the Bloodhound we can know the membership, and we have permission with the current user to do such the user creation, and also can add group membership. Okay, so next we need to upload the powerview PowerScript, and I've already prepared, as you can see. Maybe I can open another tab. Yeah, I need to Bloodhound and go to the collector directory. Yeah, we just upload this one. We use the same technique. The cert, of course, you can also use the like a PowerShell command to do this, but for me, this one, I'm most familiar with this one. Cert util URL cache and our own machine IP address. and put the file name, and we use same file name. Let's press enter. dir. No problem. Maybe we do not need, sorry, I do not need to upload. We just run the command just here. We just use this command and enable or start the powerview. I don't need this one, and we can paste here. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I need to put the port number. Oh, sorry. My type is terrible. This should be fine. Yeah, no error. Now we can run. Yeah, we can run this command. Yeah, we use the same password, so we do not need to change anything, right? And then we can, but of course this time we use different username, Frank. I also added the command into the description section below. All right, no error. And then we can run the add the objectACL because we are the member of the exchange permission, right? A group, and we can make copy. Yeah, if you go back to the Bloodhound, as you can see this one, the exchange windows permissions. So we have a right to run this command. Yeah, but I need to change or modify the username. Frank. All right. So now we can utilize the DCSync attack to get the hash of the administrator. Okay, now we can use the two is the secret. This one we just press enter. So how to use this command? Yeah, username, password. All right. So we can username. This should be our new user, which is Frank ABC123, and maybe I need to use the single quote. And I think I need to use the percent symbol, right? Simple. And all right, and I just want to just DC user. Administrator. And I just want to get the HTML hash value. All right, let's press enter to see whether this is working. Yeah, we got the NTLM hash value, yeah, from here. So now we can use the two. So which two we can use is the P. This one, right? PS, sorry, PS. Yeah, this one, we just press enter and to see how this works. Okay, I need to put the hashes, of course, and the DC IP address. right, I think maybe I can run it. The hashes, and we can copy the hash value. Yeah, this is the hash value. And do I need to configure the DC IP? I'm not sure. Maybe I just run. Let's press enter. Unrecognized arguments. Very weird. Oh, sorry. Just one dash is fine. A process has requested, but nothing. I think I need to put the name of the username, right? Administrator. Administrator. The administrator. I'm not sure. Administrator. Correct. Let's press enter. Yeah, it's working. Wonderful, right? Wonderful. Now we can, navigate to the users directory. And we can go to the administrator. Yeah. And we can go to the desktop. Yeah. Now we can get root flag. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope you can enjoy this video, and I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.